Multi-speed with precise control. Ergonomic soft silk touch rubberized handle with 12 speed options offer precise control over blending needs and makes any blending task easy to handle. Turbo button gives an extra boost to the blending process. High power for better blending. The Chefman Immersion blender has a high-powered 300-watt motor that handles more blending tasks quietly and with ease. This food blender will liquefy fruit, leafy greens, mix baby formulas and more. Blade detaches with just a twist and is dishwasher safe, making cleanup as easy as 1, 2, 3. Sleek black exterior is easy to wipe down to clean up any splattered food. Protect your pot from scratching. Heat-resistant plastic blade guard is gentle on pots so you can worry less about scratching it and focus on creating deliciously blended dishes. Ice-crushing crossblade. Specially designed crossblades make perfect puree dishes such as smoothies, sauces, soups, and dips. When blending frozen ice or chunks of frozen fruit or veggies, make sure they are immersed in liquid for desired results. The ultimate tool for a variety of blending options, this stick blender can reach into mixing bowls, large cooking pots, and pitchers. Make sure not to immerse the cord in water. RJ19 MSPBG assurances, CETL approved with advanced safety technology for long-lasting durability, and 1-year assurance provided by Chefman, so you can purchase worry-free. We've got your back. For information on how to use your product, scroll down for a PDF user guide. Power source, 120 volts. Top reviews from the United States. Powerful and controllable. Great for use near non-stick surfaces. Bought this as a gift for blending soups and sauces made in a multi-combo air fryer/pressure cooker, Ninja Foodie, unit. It had to be a plastic so as not to damage the non-stick surface of the bowl. It seems many of the blender sticks have stainless steel ends now, which is great but may be a little too harsh on non-stick surfaces, hence my review is specifically for this application. This blender fits the bill very nicely. It's slightly larger than my own older but still going strong Braun 300 watts plastic blender stick and is plenty more powerful with a larger head, yet has the advantage of speed control as well as the turbo button too. I love the way the speed control dial lights up to show the dial and that the control knob has detents in between the 1 to 12 range. So far, my first impression is very good. I will update this review each time it is used.